Hello and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Natasha Bridgmohan, President and CEO of the Bridge Group of Companies and licensed mortgage broker with Mortgage Intelligence. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about my mortgage division and educating you about the benefits of using a mortgage broker compared to a bank representative. Now, there's a lot of myths out there in terms of using a mortgage broker. So hopefully today's show will give you the education, resources, and tools you need to make a right decision. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, when in doubt, spit it out. So what is a mortgage broker? What do we do? And why use us versus using a bank representative? Very, very simple. We have access to many, many different lenders. And most importantly is that we work for you. Your best interest is our priority. When you're dealing with a bank representative, who do they work for? Who is paying their paycheck? So their best interest is representing you and also for the bank. How do you know they're representing 100% of your best interest? How do you know that they have the best products that are suited for your need? If you're going directly to a bank, you're limited to resources in terms of options, in terms of mortgage products and services that are available. With a licensed mortgage broker, it's very good to deal with a member that is part of a regulatory body such as CAMP or IMBA. Like myself, I'm an AMP, which is an accredited mortgage professional. What does that mean? Well, every year I have to commit to doing a certain amount of hours in terms of articling. What does that do for you? It makes sure that I get the education that I need to make sure that I'm giving you the proper advice. Now, mortgage brokers work for you, not the banks. So let's set that straight for the record. And we're also looking out for your best interests. We also have access to over 55 different banks with hundreds and hundreds of different types of mortgage products that can fit you in terms of your mortgage requirement. Not only for interest rate can we be very competitive, and in most cases a lot more cheaper and affordable and more competitive than the bank, but we have access to more customized products that may suit you, especially for those who are self-employed, first-time home buyers, new immigrants, very difficult, challenging deals in terms of credit income, or even property challenging deals. So it's very, very important for you to surround yourself with experts and for people that are on your team, not the other side. So again, put yourself in terms of getting acquainted with a local mortgage broker or someone in our team. We're here to help you and provide you with the honest advice that you need to protect you towards any incorrect information or wrong decision that you may make that could affect you from getting a mortgage or a proper mortgage. Our goal is to have you become mortgage-free sooner than later, understanding great exit strategies to pay down your mortgage faster and getting a competitive rate to ensure that you're not putting yourself in a pickle where you're stuck with major penalty clauses and you are not able to port that mortgage or assume that mortgage if you're able to buy and sell in the future. So again, ask the right questions, surround yourself with an expert, and work with a mortgage broker. We have access to, again, 55 different lenders, and our industry is growing and growing and growing. We have 40% plus of the market share in terms of using products and services for you as a mortgage client. Now, the mortgage industry is a big industry, servicing over billions and billions of dollars of mortgages all over Canada. Now, working with a qualified mortgage broker gives you the upper hand in terms of working with somebody that's a certified negotiation expert like myself, which I'm able to fight for your rights in terms of getting you that very great mortgage golden policy product. Now, we're here for you at Mortgage Intelligence with Natasha, Bridgmohan, and team. We're able to sit down with you and offer you one-on-one tailored services. Get into your needs and understand what your exit outcome is. Why you want a mortgage, can you qualify? If you qualify, what's your maximum qualification? Do you want a fixed rate versus an adjustable mortgage rate or a HELOC product? We talked about HELOCs a while ago. So that's very, very important that you get in front of somebody face to face. Now, hands-on approach and education is utmost important. Don't forget, getting a cheap mortgage or interest rate not necessarily is the best for you. It can end up costing you thousands of dollars in penalty in the future. So don't be fooled from all the perks and the teaser rates that are out there right now. Make sure you speak to a qualified mortgage broker near you and get the right advice to protect the biggest purchase that you'll ever make in your life, which is becoming a homeowner and owning a home. Now, again, I thank you for your time, and if you ever have to visit us, please don't hesitate to do so. You can find our videos on YouTube, and also you can reach us on our website at www.thebridgegroup.com or toll free at 1-866-553-7467. Again, see you next time, and thank you for joining us today in the Financial Room.